they've been trying to do this for so long. They've been trying to make the protest look bad, the farmers' protest look bad for so long, and they failed. So this was sort of like their opportunity where, oh, they're entering the city. Let's sort of set a nice little trap up for them where we can create these situations where unprovoked we can claim that we were the ones who were under fire, and so that's why we fired our tear gas shells, when in fact if you listen to eyewitnesses accounts from those areas, it's the exact opposite thing that was happening. Like, at least from Tikri, where I can report personally, completely unprovoked. There was absolutely nothing happening. The entire protest was going back to the Tikri border. It was not even entering the city. Why was tear gas fired? Into a crowd of civilians, into a crowd of just normal people from Delhi. Most of the farmers had already gone back to the border. So what the hell was going on there? And just this entire narrative has been shifted, and now, as you can see, the way the Godi media and every channel is pushing it is, oh, the protest went bad and it became violent. Everybody's just focusing on that. When lakhs of people protested, paraded peacefully, happily, and went back to the borders, and it was one of the most incredible moments of a Republic Day celebration ever. But the narrative has successfully been flipped. People are beginning to focus on this as if it's a riot and not a peaceful parade or protest, because of a small bunch of people who got into the Red Fort, which is not the end of the world really, nor is putting up a flag there the end of the world. But if you find yourself talking more about which flag was in the Red Fort, I mean, FYI, the Indian flag was never brought down there anyway. But if you find yourself talking more about flags or about, the barricades were broken, listen, flags and barricades are not human beings. Human beings who are farmers, who've been dying for 2 months now, got tear gassed, charged, tricked by the Delhi police, and then, because they're angry, still managed to somehow finish most of their parade and go back to the border. If that's not what you're focusing on, and the fact that Modi is not ready to listen to the laws, is not to the laws being repealed, is not what you're focusing on. And if you're focusing on the fact that some flag, which is not even a Khalistani flag, so please don't even go there, was put up at the Red Fort, or 20 tractors got in there, they got into the city, they attacked a bus that was being used as a barricade. Holy shit, man. Focus on the human story here. That's exactly what the Godi media wants you to do. Don't fall into their trap. That's not what this is about. This is going to be a very long fight for the farmers. Let's keep the narrative on what it is supposed to be, the farmers themselves. And if this video helps you understand better what really went down in the city today, by so many eyewitness accounts you're going to get, by people who were along with the protesters, I hope it helps. Please don't let them twist the narrative, okay? Don't let them twist the narrative into the same propaganda machinery that they're best at. This was their opportunity. They're taking it. They're, completely trying to mint it. Don't let them do that. Keep your focus on the human beings that are at the center of this protest, the farmers and the laborers. Kisan Mazdoor Ekta Zindabad.